Hey guys, I am Murteza, and today Habibur is with me.
Hello, Murtuza. Hello,
Hello.
everyone.
Hi. In today's video, we are going to show how you can pixel streaming a VR app from Unreal Editor using the remote editor streaming technology. So, without further ado, let's start by opening our Engine. I have already opened it, and I'll go to the game section, select virtual reality, and give it an address and a name, and create the project. Now, this process was pretty fast, but it may take a few minutes for you based on your machine or the PC that you're using. So let me update it, make sure everything is at the latest version. So first things first, since I'm going to do pixel streaming, I'm going to enable the pixel streaming plugin and restart my editor. Now that the editor has restarted, I'm going to edit and editor preferences. Here I will search for launch parameters. You'll see here level editor play any standalone game, and additional launch parameters. I'm going to add two parameters here. One of them is going to be a pixel streaming URL that this URL will be the one that Habibur is going to give me today. And the next parameter, let's add a space here, is will be pixel streaming enable HMD. So the HMD is what gives the VR region the way that it looks like it is showing on two screens on the two eyes of the VR headset. So to get this URL, I'm going to ask Habibur to go to Eagle 3D streaming website and get me a remote editor streaming link. Habibur, please go ahead.
Sure. So on VR headset, I have logged into my account, uh, and then I'll go to utilities section. Then click on the remote editor streaming tab, and then I'll click on the try remote editor control button. Okay. So this is the URL which Murtaza needs, but I'll just provide him the only the port number because he already has the first part of the URL. So
Yes.
the port number is 50858.
Okay, so I have the first part as Habibur mentioned. This is the first part, and the port number is 508. What was the rest of it? 58.
Yep.
5058. So that's all we need to do. Now that we're done here, we have the two parameters, pixel streaming URL and pixel streaming enable HMD. I'm going to close my editor preferences, and in the play menu, instead of playing in a viewport, in editor viewport, I'm going to click the three dots button and choose to play as a standalone game. And my stream just started, Habibur. You should be able to see the
Yes.
stream now.
Yep. So I'll press on the Excel button and I can see the game in VR mode. So right now I'm stuck in the ground.
Right. So there is an issue with the template that is provided with Unreal Engine, at least until Unreal 5.6, which is the version we are currently using. At the By default, the user location is not correct and it has bugs. But this is a perfect example of debugging issues in VR using the remote editor streaming. So for example, if you have a client who wants to test your application or you want feedback, debug some issues, you don't need to have a VR headset. I am a Unreal developer, but I do not own a VR headset. So I'm gonna use this feature and ask Habibur, who has a VR headset, to test my application. And here I am an Unreal developer. I'm going to fix the issues. But for fixing those issues, we're going to see to them in the next video. For today's video, I think that's all. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Habibur, you have any finishing words?
Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. All right, goodbye, guys. Have a good day.